Hey guys, Michael here from Sydney's Plumbing Specialist. We're out here today at 35 Meadow Crescent in Meadowbank. Just to give you guys a recap of what we're doing here. So we've been looking after this building now for, I think, probably close to 7 or 8 years. Over the time, there have been multiple issues throughout this entire sewer line, which starts from right about here in front of this garage right here and runs 45 metres down to the main right at the front. So what we're doing now is over the next 5 days, today's the first day that we're here, we've began our reline process. And basically what this now means is this from right at the end of this property right here, right down to the main, we're basically going to insert a pipe within the vitrified clay pipe using state-of-the-art technology made out of Germany. It comes with a 25-year product guarantee. We don't have to rip up this concrete. Imagine the destruction, the noise, the mess that we would have had to create for our clients right here if we needed to get an excavator in here. Not to mention the limited parking that we have out on the street. There is literally no street parking. Everyone comes into their garages. The owners are going to be able to park their cars at night back into their garages, and we're going to roll through it to the completion of the work. Hey guys, so we're just inspecting inside the pipe of the newly completed reline now. So as we go down, you'll see that there's a fantastic transition between the earthenware and the new reline which we've installed. So a total of close to 30 metres of relining, 35 metres was completed here. We've recently completed a reline on a main sewer line that was infested with roots and it had major dislodgements throughout. Now, as you can see, we've limited and we didn't need to destruct and destroy this entire section of concrete to excavate down and repair the line itself. We've saved the Strata plan a whopping $54,000 in their restoration costs. Now, this reline now comes with a 25-year product guarantee and a 50-year life expectancy, which will give this Strata plan and provide this Strata plan with peace of mind for all those years to come. If you guys have any questions about pipe relining or where it can and can't be used, please give one of our friendly staff a call and we'll be more than happy to help you guys out.